Stocklin, brand specialist with Morel, here doing the MDSP training in Delhi. We did a full day of training on how to use, tune, and integrate with the MDSP. We walked everybody through step-by-step process of a tuning inside of a vehicle, showed them live demonstration of how to do that, and then also walked through a bunch of the advanced features of the amplifier, got them all up to speed so that they are more comfortable and capable using the product. Everybody seemed to have a great time. A lot of good questions, a lot of good people, had good food, everything was great.
Hey everyone, this is Aman Gujral from Retune Audio, and I'm here today at the Morel event in Delhi, and here with us is Cory from Morel America, and he's here to give us training with for the new Morel DSP amplifiers. These were launched a couple of months ago.
हेलो, मैं नितिन मदान रेडियोस फरीदाबाद से, और आज हम आए हैं इस मोरेल के इवेंट पे, और जहाँ जैसे कि इन्होंने नए जो भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं तो उसकी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन हर डीलर को दी जाती है.
So hello friends, I am Pratham Agarwal from Royal Motors Siliguri, and this is my first RTA training, DSP training program which I have been attended to. I have been tuning setups for around 3 years now, and with very minimal knowledge I was being able to produce some outputs. But with this training by the help of Morel, I think I can do much better now.